Are you trying to get the climate pledge friendly badge on Amazon but you don't know where to start? Well, in this video you will get to know everything about this climate pledge friendly program. Like what is it, how it's work, what are the benefits, and of course how you can get this badge. This is Sakhawat from Ecomclips and I will discuss everything you need to know about this program, so stay tuned. Let's start with the basics. Like what is this climate pledge friendly program on Amazon? You see this badge here. It's a climate pledge friendly badge that helps customers find more sustainable products. In 2020, Amazon launched this program to help preserve the natural world. The program highlights brands and products that meet sustainability standards, like carbon footprint reduction and waste reduction. Amazon is really serious about this program. In a world where environment concerns are growing, Amazon is taking a big step. They have already invested $2 billion through the Climate Pledge Fund to support the development of sustainable technologies. And they are committed to reach net zero carbon emission by 2040. As a seller, you might be wondering why you should care about the Climate Pledge Friendly program. What's benefit you will get from it? The first benefit is that you will get more visibility and stand out from the competition. When your listing gets a badge, it will be easier for customers to find your products. And we all know that more visibility leads to higher conversion rates. The second benefit is that there's a growing demand of sustainable products. People are actively looking for eco-friendly options. So this is your chance to highlight your products to those potential customers. Another cool thing about this is that it can improve your brand image. It shows that your brand is committed to sustainability and social responsibility. Plus, the coolest part is that Amazon has a special search result for products that are part of this program. This means that if a customer wants to browse through climate pledge friendly items, Amazon will only show them those products. So that gives you an extra advantage over competitors who are not enrolled in this program yet. But what do you actually need to enroll? Well, to qualify for the enrollment, you will need to at least one sustainability certification. Amazon has partnered with the trusted third-party certification and created their own certifications as well. You will find the details and criteria on the program page, which I have linked in the description. There are various certifications available and Amazon has 4 of its own. Compact by Design, Plant-Based Fiber Blended, Pre-owned Certified Electronics, Pre-owned Certified Fashion. As you can see, we have lots of options here. But I would say most sellers can easily qualify using Compact by Design, which focuses on efficient packaging. For example, let's say you are going for Compact by Design and your product packaging is definitely in your control. You can easily make your product more sustainable through packaging. For this certification, you will have options like using less packaging materials or less air in container and many more. If you are going for other certification, follow the guidelines of the specific issuing company. Certifiers regularly provide updates to Amazon for the climate pledge friendly products. So if your products meet the criteria, it will be automatically enrolled in the program and you will receive that green badge on your listing. But for some reason, if your product does not receive the badge after qualifying for certification, then this can be also be fixed. So for that, you need to create a case and contact Amazon. And for creating a case, fill the detail like describe your issue. Also don't forget to attach your certificate. Submit your issue and Amazon will review your case. Follow up with Amazon to provide further information. Once the issue is resolved, you will receive the climate pledge friendly badge. You might think this badge is not worth the hassle or getting certification and all that. But remember, every small choice adds up to make a big difference. So the next time you are on Amazon, keep an eye out for that green badge and join the movement towards a more sustainable future. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment below. Or you can mail us at info@ecomclips.com. We are a full-service e-commerce agency with more than 10 years of experience. Currently, we have more than 300 e-commerce experts who have been helping businesses all over the world for at least 12 years. We'd love to help and work for you as well. Thanks for tuning in and we'll catch you in the next one. Till then, take care and stay safe. See you soon.